Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Winter fashion is all about combining style with warmth, and skirts are often overlooked when the temperatures drop. But who says skirts are only for spring and summer? With the right pairings and a little creativity, long winter skirts can transform your wardrobe into a cozy, chic wonderland. Whether you're stepping out for a casual day or a formal evening, skirts in winter offer versatility and elegance that few other pieces can match. Ready to explore 7 stunning ways to rock long skirts this winter? Let's dive in. Pair a chunky knit sweater with a flowy maxi skirt for the ultimate cozy chic look. This outfit screams warmth while keeping you stylish. Opt for a high-waisted skirt and tuck in your sweater slightly at the front to define your silhouette. Complete the look with ankle boots or knee-high boots, and add a wool scarf for extra flair. This combination is perfect for casual outings or even a day at work. Who says winter fashion can't have an edge? A pleated long skirt paired with a leather jacket is a match made in style heaven. Choose a turtleneck underneath the jacket for added warmth and accessorize with statement earrings. Black tights and combat boots will tie the look together, making it a bold yet practical choice for colder days. Monochrome outfits are a winter staple, and a long skirt is the perfect piece to bring it all together. Go for a tonal palette, think beige, gray, or deep green. Pair a fitted turtleneck with a wool or tweed skirt, and finish with matching boots and a coat. Add texture with a belt or a crossbody bag, and you're ready to turn heads wherever you go. Satin skirts aren't just for warm weather. In winter, pair a satin midi skirt with a fitted velvet top for a glamorous evening outfit. Add sheer tights and heeled boots or pumps for a polished touch. A long coat or faux fur stole will elevate the look while keeping you cozy. Perfect for holiday parties or romantic dinners. If you're loving these ideas so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite skirt outfit idea, or share how you style your skirts in winter. Your engagement keeps this channel thriving, and I'd love to hear from you. For a laid-back winter vibe, try a denim maxi skirt. Pair it with an oversized hoodie or sweatshirt and top it off with a puffer jacket. Sneakers or flat boots will complete the ensemble, making it ideal for running errands or grabbing coffee with friends. Add a beanie for extra warmth and a splash of personality. Channel a vintage vibe by pairing a long A-line skirt with a fitted cardigan and a collared shirt underneath. Choose earthy tones or plaid patterns for that old-school charm. Layer with a trench coat and add lace-up boots for a timeless look. A beret or a pair of gloves can be the finishing touches to transport you to a winter wonderland. Dare to be different by incorporating bold prints in your skirt. Leopard, floral, or geometric designs can add personality to your winter outfits. Pair with a solid colored sweater or turtleneck to balance the look. Add a statement coat, like one in bright red or with faux fur details, to make the entire ensemble pop. Finish with sleek boots or heels for a show-stopping appearance. Winter skirts aren't just practical, they're a chance to showcase your personal style while staying warm. From cozy knits to bold prints, these 7 outfit ideas prove that skirts belong in your winter wardrobe. Which of these styles will you be trying this season? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, don't let the cold stop you from experimenting with fashion. With the right pairings, a long skirt can be your go-to piece all winter long.